Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to change your Gmail account password. As our Gmail is connected to our Google account, so we need to change our password of Google account. Open your browser available in your devices. I am using Chrome browser in order to change my Google account password. After opening browser, search for Google account and click on the first link that appears on your page. After clicking on the first link, a page appears where your account information is visible. Look for security section on the page available and go to the security section. Scroll down and look for password option on the page. Click on password. After clicking on password, now you need to create a new password that you want to keep for your Google account. After creating a new password, you need to re-enter your password. Click on change password. Now it provides you the information about your Gmail account that you have logged in your devices with. When you click on confirm, it will sign out of all the devices. Now click on change password. After a while, the password is changed. That's it for this video. Hope you find this tutorial helpful and informative. See you on next tutorial. Thank you.